a funky disclaimer that we're having right now. So this actually means if you want to apply for any job role, whatever we are going to say with you in couple of minutes is something on which you are going to apply on your own risk. Okay, we have done a small research, but you should do from your side as well so that it will be much more beneficial for you. Anyways, let's bind up this job video very quick and then I'll tell you a couple of things which is very much important, right? And then we'll move to the Q&A section. Just have a go through, just pause your screen and go through and then just click on live so that you can run with me. And first thing which is in a company opening is for the people those who are into cybersecurity. So the role is junior cyber threat analyst and security threat analyst, right? And this is a company name Arity, and 1 to 5 years of experience as a security operations or associate analyst is required or threat analyst. So this is something where minimum 1 years of experience is required. So if you have done internship of 1 year, then you can join this job role as well. This is a mail ID radhavant@aritier.com. Okay, all right. So let's move to the next. Again in the same company. No, it's in Net Connect Global. I just spelled this name incorrectly. So the position is network monitoring support engineer. Minimum 2.5 years of experience is required. The job is in Gurgaon, right? So if you have 2.5 years of experience, you can join. So this is a kind of something which is related to SOC, right? Security Operations Center. So these are key responsibilities where we need to monitor the traffic, resolve some type of DNS issue. So it's kind of support engineer. Support engineer is something who is sitting in the company. You might be getting call from the client that I'm facing this kind of problem, and you need to troubleshoot all those things. So these are the same thing. I just given you a very summarized way. This is what the responsibility which will be going to assign to you if you got selected. And these are the couple of expertise which is required. The basics. These are the basics topic we usually we learn in the cyber security domain when we get into network security or something, right? So, Pratik, thank you very much for the message. Anyways, so key skills which is required is network monitoring and uh, network monitoring troubleshooting is important. This its skills should be with you. The firewall network security is mandatory and user support. So if you have experience of 2.5 years already, these things comes with you. Okay. And to apply, this is a mail ID current.y@netconnectglobal.com. Right. So this is what we need to do. Next thing is in a company which is called Brilio. Okay, so location is in Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, where they are looking for network specialist with routing, switching, Cisco, Arista experience. So again, this experience job, not for the fresher. Next thing is in Geo. So if you want to work with the Geo team or Reliance, whatever we call, so you can apply for this job role. I guess this is for the freshers, as far I know. This is L1, L2. L1, there are three positions. Just give me a very small briefing. There are three positions. L1 is the basic, L3 is the most top one. So L1 is for basically for the fresher, right? So location is Guwahati. Okay, L1 and L2 associate list is the role for what they are looking for. There are four openings. Okay, and these are the basic understanding of OS, computer networking, cybersecurity concept, and there are a couple of more things which is related to SOC which is required. So I guess you should have got knowledge of Wazoo or some SIM tools which is required, right? Education qualification is BE or MCA is preferable. BTech and all those people can also apply. So you should have minimum 3 years of experience as L1, and for L2 minimum 5 years of experience is required. But if you're fresher, you can also drop your resume. So you might get hired because there's a lot of positions where they know they're looking for SOC assistant. All right, so this is what you can do. This is a mail ID george@infosec@ril.com, and subject line you have to add CV for the secured associate list, right? Next thing is in the horizon telecom position is field network engineer. Freshers can apply. Okay, this is for the freshers as well, along with minimum 1 to 2 years of experience. Those who have, they can also apply for this job role. Job type is field work. Location is Pune, Ahmedabad, Tamil Nadu. 15 to 21 thousand they are going to pay you plus laptop and mobile and whatever traveling reimbursement will be there. They are going to provide you. So this will be a kind of troubleshooting engineer. As far I know, because this is a field work where you need to configure the routers to the client area or something. Sometimes you need to play with the optical fibers as well. Switching operations, swapping, and all those things is important. Mail ID rasi.go as at horizon.telecom.com. This is the mail ID where you need to come, right? Next thing is, okay, I guess that's all. Thank you very much everyone for joining this session. Have a great day.